whenever we're factoring functions and polynomials, and you come across a binomial, there are three different formulas. A difference of squares, a difference of cubes, and right now we're going to look at a sum of cubes. And what makes this a sum of cubes is, first of all, obvious, the sum means plus. This is an addition. And there's another hint right off the bat. You see the w cubed, okay? But I have to make sure that that I'm adding to perfect cubes, but we'll get to that in a second. I want to show you the formula first. If you have an a cubed plus a b cubed, if it fits that format, then what you're going to do is take the cubed root of a cubed and b cubed, and that cubed root will give you a and b. And once you've identified a and b, you're going to use those two things to figure out the rest of this. You're going to take that a and you're going to square it, and you're going to subtract a times b. You're going to multiply a and b together and subtract that, and then you're going to add on the end. You're going to take that b and square it right there. Okay, so with our problem, 125 plus w cubed, I have to see if 125 has a cubed root. Okay, I'm going to take the cubed root of 125 and the cubed root of w cubed. And so the cubed root of 125, pretty much most calculators do this, but you just see what multiplies 3 times, what you can multiply by itself 3 times to get 125, and that's 5. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And w times w times w is w cubed, so the cubed root of w cubed is w. Anyway, so this is our a right here, and this is our b. Okay, and I kind of wrote that a little bit sloppy, but a and b. So let's put it into the formula. A and b, so 5 plus w. It's kind of weird calling w a b, right? But it just represents b. Okay, so square your a. Well, a was 5, so 5 squared is 25. And multiply a and b together, so that would be 5 times w is 5w. And on the end, we're going to add the b squared. Well, b was w, so b squared. And you're done.